Hi, my name is Paddytwice. We are broadcasting live from our Paddytwice studios. Today, I want to show you what we bought with our YouTube money and what we are doing with it. Where we are building our Paddytwice studios very well. So don't go away. This is what we are doing with the YouTube money. This is the video. Yes, as you can see, yes, we are doing everything in order. Here is me, my wife. Yeah. Yes, we are building our Paddytwice studios. We are building. It will be one of the very best studios in the world. This is that's our contractors doing the job. You know, this will be the kitchen for Paddytwice guests. This is Paddytwice studios, guys.